What's up, everybody? My name is Kiefer. My semester project was Google Mobile Ads. So I added mobile ads into our 1024 game in Android, and you can see those on display here. We've got banner ads and interstitial ads. Banner ads offer the benefit of being non-invasive. They're flexible in where you can place them in your app, and they offer a continuous revenue because they're constantly showing users ads. Interstitial ads, on the other hand, are full screen ads that we all know and love. They have high visibility as they take over your entire screen. And for that reason, they're best used sparingly at natural breaking points in your app or your game, such as game over, new game, or regular time intervals even. And we'll demo some of that at the end. So how do mobile ads work? We all know developers pay to show ads in apps. Developers earn revenue when users see or interact with them, and this is good for both parties, right? We have free apps for users and compensation for the developers. Now, what are some types of ads that you can show? Google offers ad formats like banner ads, interstitial ads, and rewarded ads can be a type of banner or interstitial ad. And these ones offer users rewards in exchange for interaction. And a typical use case for this would be like to view an ad and earn coins and then spend those coins to unlock some sort of premium feature on the website. So some people see this and they think more ads, more money. But we've all been to websites like this where it's hard to figure out where the hell you are on the internet, right? Where do the ads begin? Where do they end? It's a very messy user experience. And it doesn't have to be this way. Implementing mobile ads doesn't have to burden the user. You can do so wisely, can place them sparingly and strategically, and still generate some revenue for yourself while also maintaining a decent user experience. So if you're going to implement this yourself, before you begin, you need to make sure that your app meets the minimum requirements. Set up an AdMob account through Google, and then register your app to get your unique AdMob app ID. This is similar to how we registered our apps with Firebase and set that all up. And then you got to configure your app environment. Include Google's Maven and Maven Central repositories in your settings.gradle file. Add your dependencies, add your AdMob app ID into your app's Android manifest file, and then when you initialize Google mobile ads, you just do this once using launched effect in your main activity. And then from there, you select an ad format, and Google has directions to implement those from there. For interstitial ads, to load an ad, you call the interstitial ad.load method, pass in your context, ad unit ID, ad request object, and an interstitial ad load callback instance. This will notify you when the ad is loaded or if there was an error. And then to show the ad, you set a full screen content callback method to handle events related to displaying the interstitial ad. And then when you're ready to actually display the ad, you call the show method on your interstitial ad instance. And for banner ads, I created an ad view using the ad view class, and you need to provide your ad unit ID here as well. You set the ad size using the set ad size method. You can use predefined sizes like ad size.banner, or you can create your own custom size. To load the ad, you call the load ad method on your ad view instance and pass in an ad request object. And then, of course, add the ad view programmatically to your view. So here's a quick demo. Like I said, this is in our 1024 game, so when we log in here, it'll bring us into the main game screen, and we'll get to see some banner ads load in above and below the number grid. There they are. And interstitial ads right now, for demonstration purposes, are set to trigger every 10 swipes. A more realistic approach would be, every minute or so, or like at the end of a game or the start of a game or screen transitions and such. These are test ads, of course, so clicking on them will bring us to AdMob's website. Here we'll trigger another interstitial ad when we click on Reset Game. So every new game, you'll get a full screen ad. There it goes, and it's that simple. If you want to get your real revenue ads in here, all you have to do is swap out your test unit ad ID for your actual one. And that's it. Thank you.